Reviewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Professor for You. I am here with another very important comparison of two words. The words are affect versus effect. The affect word starts with A and the effect word starts with E. So this is very interesting comparison. So let's join me. Both words we used commonly in our daily life. Both words are confusing, but don't worry, I am here to justify meaningful difference between these two words, and you should keep remember my explanation in your mind for your coming life. So let's start. The word affect with A is usually used as verb similar in meaning to influence, but the word effect starts with E, usually used as nouns. The examples of word effect are as follows: boycotts have an effect on companies' profit. The settlement of issues have deep effect on a relationship. I think you got it. This medicine can affect your eyesight. Your opinion can't affect my decisions. This weather affects everyone. Pollution affects the environments. The word affect with A must be used as verb, and the word affect with E must be used as an subject or object because it can't be work like the verb. The examples of word effect. This medicine has an immediate effect. The effect of the drug have worn off. Any advice will have no effect on him. As I said, effect works and used as a verb in English. Effect means the process when any action is in progress, and the effect means the result in the continuation of the word effect. For example, the girl watching TV closely. After some time, she wear glasses. This is the result of watching TV closely. So when she was watching TV closely, this was effect with A. When she feel her eyesight weak and wear glasses, so this is the result of watching TV. This is the effect. Another example, a very suited person was standing at the bus stop and waiting the bus. Suddenly rain starts and his cloth is wetted with rain. So what changed on the person after the rain? So when the rain was continuous, this was the effect with A. And what was the consequences faced after the completion of rain's process? This was the effect with E. This is the minor difference but having very deep influence. One another very simple rule for understanding the meaning of both similar words. The effect word with A is action and the effect words E is the end result of action. So very simple rule for understanding: A effect for action and E effect for end result of action. Effect with A means till the process is continuous, but when we have the result of such process, then it will change in effect with E. And other very important and simple principle for understanding the difference between affect and effect is the word raven. R-A-V-E-N. Raven. R for remember, A for affect, V for verb, E for effect, and for noun. Remember, affect, verb, effect, noun. Very simple understanding rule. We have so many types of affect like positive affect, negative affect, natural affect, systematic affect, scientific affect, psychological affect, terrorist affect. These are used as verb. And what are the consequences in the result of these all affects is the effect with E. The results, what are happen after the action of these words. So please try to understand the meaning of affect with A and also try to understand the meaning affect with E. So both the words are commonly used in daily life and also having very important meaning and influence on the sentences. These both words are homophones, like the same sound, affect and effect, and often confuse us. So this is very simple rule to understand the difference between affect and effect. So please understand the meaning and difference both words, and also change your life and improve your skills of English. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.